Here's how to change your payment method on YouTube TV. First, open your browser, then go to tv.youtube.com. Make sure you're signed into the Google account associated with your YouTube TV membership. To switch your credit card, debit card, or link a new account, you want to click on the profile picture at the top right corner of your screen. Now find the option of settings. Here you want to select billing. Now this will display your current primary payment method. Here click on Update button next to your current payment method. This will redirect you to your secure Google Pay profile where your subscription billing is handled. If you want to use a card that you have saved previously, simply select it from the list. To add a completely new card or link a PayPal account, click Add Payment Method. Now fill in your new card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing zip code. Now click Save. Once you save the changes, Google will set this as your primary payment method and use it for all future YouTube TV billing cycles. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.